Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can collaborate on Instagram. So the latest version of Instagram has the new collabs feature which you guys can use to collaborate with each other. So to use that, what you need to do is click on plus at the bottom of your screen on Instagram and choose the post which you want to upload. Once you choose the post you want to upload, you can click on next at the top right. Now once you're over here, you can click on next again at the bottom right. Now over here you want to click on tag people. Now from inside tag people you can see the option called invite collaborators. Click on invite collaborators. Now from over here you want to search the person to whom you want to invite. After you choose the person's name, the person is going to be tagged, but this is just not a normal tag. This person now has the permission to post this picture on his Instagram profile, because that is basically what collaboration does. Now I can click on done at the top right, click on share at the bottom, and the post will be shared, and the person who I tagged is going to get a notification, and he will have the option to post the picture or the video on his Instagram page as well if he likes to. Okay, so that's how you guys can use Instagram's collab feature to collaborate with other people. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.